Sinusitis and seasonal allergies, they are not fun, especially if they become chronic conditions. You may be considering having surgery, but before you do, we want to tell you about an alternative treatment. Please welcome Dr. Franklin Gergits, and this is Kate Falvey. They are here to tell us about this alternative treatment that has little to no downtime. You have everyone's attention now because we're all holding tissues as we are in the midst of this seasonal allergy season. Dr. Gergits, I want to start with you. What are you doing to help folks here in Arizona at the Sinus and Allergy Wellness Center?
Hello, Susan, and thanks for having us today. Here at the Sinus and Allergy Wellness Center, we pride ourselves in being able to help patients with their sinus, nasal, and allergy problems on their first visit. Here in our office, we have an in-house CAT scan machine that lets us do a very detailed picture and examination of what's going on inside the nasal cavity. We can also do a nasal examination where we view the inside of the nose with a small little telescope and a camera to give us a very accurate picture of what's going on. And finally, we do in-house allergy testing, which really allows us to reduce the allergy problems that can cause sinus conditions.
Yes, wow, state-of-the-art technology there. And we're looking at some video. Tell us about this revolutionary treatment that you're most known for there.
Well, in the Sinus and Allergy Wellness Center, we actually perform something called the open procedure. It's a unique procedure that employs the balloon sinuplasty to allow us to open up blocked sinus drainage pathways that really cause patients to have lots of troubles with sinus congestion, drainage, facial pressure, headaches, and even quality of sleep is impaired with this condition.
Wow, this is really cool. I'm sure patients have suffered when they come to see you, Dr. Gergits, for years from this. And you were saying this is one and done, one treatment, and they are getting back to normal.
That's right. Yeah, just recently we had a patient that returned to our office, a single mom, who had been on 4 different antibiotics over the past 6 months and just did not find any relief with her congestion, headaches, facial pressure, and drainage. She was also in a chronic state of fog that she just wasn't herself. So she came to us and we recommended the balloon sinuplasty, the open procedure, and afterwards she felt much, much better. She had the procedure performed on a Friday. Monday she returned to work, and now 3 weeks later she's feeling 100% better.
Oh, that's fantastic. And the side effects of all that medication, especially when you're a single mom, you want to be focused. That's the key. Kate, what other conditions do you help folks with there at the Sinus and Allergy Wellness Center?
Yes, we also specialize in allergies. So we offer allergy testing and treatment to both children and adults. We offer allergy drops over shots because they're proven to be successful and they can do it at the convenience of their home or while they're traveling. Because we have people who come from all over the country and even Canada for the open procedure. And we are proud to offer world-class care to patients who suffer from allergies and sinus issues.
Wow. And Dr. Gergits, it's not just adults, right? You help kiddos.
That's true. And sometimes patients have ear blockage. The eustachian tube is a tube that pops if you go up and over the mountain, you fly in the airplane. And we even have a procedure that we can help to open up blocked ears without having the need for placing tubes in the eardrums anymore.
Wow, that's huge. I mean, who would have thought, right? We used to come here to get rid of allergies.
Exactly.
We used to move to Arizona to get rid of allergies, and now all of a sudden, this is kind of like the allergy capital, it seems. Well, thank you both. We appreciate you. Great information, and I want to give folks out there some information. Maybe you are suffering and you are ready for some relief. You can contact the Sinus and Allergy Wellness Center. They have 2 locations, one in Scottsdale, one in Fountain Hills. To book an appointment, please call 480-485-9271, or you can visit the website sinusaz.com.